Today's featured car slash truck is a 1959 Chevrolet El Camino with a 409 with trips on it. That didn't come in it when it was new, but somebody made a resto mod out of it and added vintage air and a dual master cylinder with power disc brakes. So did some nice touches to it, and a cloth interior, a shifter on the floor, and a tonneau cover on the bed, which is nice, and some rally style wheels with flat center caps, which may or may not strike a nerve, as wheels usually do. And other than that, it was a nice, clean, straight car. And I guess it was out of Arizona, so it's a rust-free car. And I filmed it at a car show in Oklahoma, another pretty much rust-free car state. And it was definitely an eye catcher, that's for sure. It had a nice slick red paint job on it. Yeah, it definitely needs the air conditioning in Arizona and Oklahoma in the summertime, that's for sure, where it'll crack 100 most days. 1959 was the first year for the El Camino. They were late to the party. Ford was first in 1957 with the Ranchero. But anyway, that's today's featured car slash pickup truck, a 1959 Chevy El Camino with a 409. I guess you would call it a resto mod. I filmed it at a car show in Oklahoma. If you made it to the end of the video, thank you very much for watching. I appreciate it. If you can share this video and my channel, Car Finder, with a friend, or share it on your group page if you have one, I would appreciate it. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one. Thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. And by the way, here's a couple of videos of the 700 plus videos that I have on my channel, Car Finder. This will take you over to my page, and you can take a look at any of the videos that are there that look good to you. But thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.